Welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. Here I'm discuss one of the best topic is called how to making YouTube videos like a business video like you can like a slide related. So we're using previous Microsoft video also, but now we're using for Canva how to making a videos. In this video, a lot of options are there. First of all, Facebook video, video option, and mobile video, video college, and YouTube video ad. Suppose you're selecting one ad. So they give some templates here. What are the template will be here, which will be particular option. In this, all option will be here. In this select by here. So what are the template? It will be suitable. Select it. So here, learn digital marketing video tutorials. Here we can add option will be here. So what are the logo we can use? Add your logo option. So this will be download will be like this. Learn free digital marketing video tutorials. Just subscribe your channel. Close this one. Click here and click for download this feature. In this, anything you want to change, see here. Before downloading, we have to add the n number of videos. Not only one video. We can add the n number of videos. Just click add your page. We can create the n number of video option. So here they say about the logo. Not interested. Download. Click for download option. Second thing is called, you can create the content each every page. Where it is called, go to social. The video will be, what are the free templates? You can select the free template option. Which is a paid, don't select the paid option. So templates are comfortable by the, which is the free options. These all will be particular option will be here. Is a free or paid? How to know that? When it's showing will be not free, these all will be paid option. So it is a free, it is a free, it is a free, pro. So these are the free. So these are the template we can using on a particular video making purpose. Just to click here and download the video option. Next thing is called, go to social media. If you're selecting for YouTube thumbnail size option, here, what are the contents are there? Select it, add page. Just I'm give this one of the sample. Here, click for download. What are the content you prepared? Here we can download the MP4 also. With content also we can make the video, and other video too we can change the content and make the video also. The video will be playing will be like this. So these are the steps. They will be followed by the video. So how we can using for Microsoft video, same like will be here. Now you can click for upload. Here is the add media. There is the option will be called video option will be there, and audio option also will be there. In this purpose, in my website, astrosaishankar.com. In this website, based on our service, I can prepare the video and download the content. So first of all, I prepare the content. Give me the 2 minutes of time to prepare the all content. Based on requirement, the content was created here. The total content. We can go to here. Final one, we can add your particular logo and your website option. Everything will be ready. Click for download. This will be download for the MP4 video format and download this feature. This video same like as the option name is called video option. So this slider we can creating a PPT also, but I'm creating will be option name is called where, and the particular option name is called using Canva. Anyone asks a question, can you make the video using Canva? We can make the video by using Canva also. See this. These are all options. What are the content you can show? That all will be here in the particular option. Each will be, they will defines will be here in the particular option. Video will be limit is there. Is nothing will be happen for the particular limit. If you are selecting this video, how many minutes will be, how many seconds will be there? They will show this option. These are based on the adding video. Simple when which will be add the free one here. Seconds are will be increased. Previous 5 seconds now will be 15 seconds. That will be increased, which is not required. Let's close it. Video wise and content wise, lot of different. Content will adding for down with add page. Video will be adding will be here. This will be line will be follow for the particular video making by using Canva option. Canva, what are the videos are making here? Social media for anything. Video purpose, video, Facebook video, video message, mobile video, video college, and YouTube video ads, feed ad video, slideshow video here. When you click for slideshow video, there is an option will be shown to the customers. This also you can check will be here, pro option. So which is a free, you can select in the free option. Learn free digital marketing course videos. Rakesh. So I have represent my channel, not for other channels. Download the video. Just what are the templates you will be show to the customers? Select the template and download the video. No need to worry about that. It is worth or worthful, or we can check from the video here. We can play this option. So these are the particular platform will be created by here. Just you can play on the particular option. Suppose not interested in this image, delete it. You can increase the image option. Select here and download it. Which feature is comfortable? You can use that feature will be very comfortable design. This is a video purpose. Content to video also available. Same like Microsoft how to use, same will be using for this option also. The sizes will be as you wish. LinkedIn video size, TikTok video, Pinterest video pin. So these all option will be given particular Canva option. So anyone is looking for Canva video making, just you can try it. They will be help on your particular business. You can show something portfolio on the particular users. Any particular query about this Canva, please definitely you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you how to using Canva and improve your videos to preparation and how we can using for social media network like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram will definitely will be help on the particular platform. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.